What's going on, everybody? We back again with another one, SS Family here. And today, I'm going to show you what happens when you buy cars online from the auction and you don't do your homework. Yeah, it costs you. It costs a lot. Yeah, so, man, I just woke up. Good morning to me. I'm in the road, stretching out. I'm good, man. I'm finna buy me some good cars today. Yeah, you see me right here. I'm twiddling my head. Give me a little cup of coffee or something to sip on before I get the day started. Because I know I'm going to buy some good stuff today. Oh, yeah, man, I just twiddling my feet. Yeah, I should use these same feet, be walking around at the auction checking them damn cars. But instead, I'm just twiddling my feet. I'm living a good life over here. So you can see what I bought. A 2014 Cadillac ATS. Thought it was a deal. Got a 3.6. 245,000 miles. That was my first mistake. Spent $1,630 with all the fees included. Seemed like a good deal, don't it? Minus the miles, but got to going through the pictures, and that's when I made my discovery. So at the Mannheim dealer auction, they give you a picture of the car. You gotta hurry up and bid before somebody else outbid you, and that's exactly what I did. They said 13. I put my bid in, thinking I'm good. I'm going through the pictures. Body don't look too bad. They show the dash, no check engine lights. I'm good to go until I get to this picture right here. Then even still, I was thinking, you know what? I'll go ahead and get the body work done. Put the fender on there, the bumper, the headlights. Send it to the body shop. Maybe put another 1,000 into it just to get it looking good. Clean it up. And then put it on the market. Still thinking everything is sweet. Till you get to the mechanic side of it. That's where the problem starts. Because you got to go test drive them the day before. You got to know what you're buying, man. So you can see, I got it back at the lot. Did it make it back? No. Why did it make it back? Two reasons. First reason, where this accident happened at, they messed up both CV axles and the front differential. The car's all-wheel drive, so it's got two differentials. So after I fixed that, thinking I'm good still, but no, I'm not. Right away from the shop, hear noise in the back. Oh, maybe you need hub bearings. Do some research. That's not it. Needs a rear differential and the axles in the back. So that's where I'm stuck at now. Now you can see the body of the car. It's in decent shape, minus where it's been in the accident at. But I already put $600 in it. To do the back might cost me $650, maybe $7. Already paid $1,600 for the car. Got $1,000 in body work. Then I got a car with 245,000 miles that I got to put on the market to try to make it profit for. Can it happen? Maybe. But could I made a better choice? Hell yeah, I could. So despite the body being the way it is and the mechanical side of the car being the way it is, the interior was actually in good shape, and that kind of shocked me. The front seats was good as well as the back. The dash was intact. The screen had a few little cracks in it. Did a little research. It's common on these cars for that little screen to be cracked. I think you can get it fixed for about a little cheaper than $150. So when I buy these type of cars, I be thinking, man, who the hell had these cars? I be thinking it's young people. But that's a stereotype. But hey, that's who usually wrecks these cars and leave them to me to fix. And I gotta fix it so I can either get my money back, break even, or make a profit on the car. It is what it is. Not only that, needs a new battery. Gotta price the battery. I'm sure the battery is probably about $200. I might have to find a good used one to put in here. The key fob works great. It's only one key fob, but the single key doesn't work to the door. So I gotta leave the doors unlocked so I can make sure I can get in every time I jump the car off. Cause the key won't work, it won't unlock the door. So therefore, if the door is locked, the key don't work to the door, then how you supposed to get to the battery? So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and jump it off, let it run for a minute, and just kind of see what the engine do. It's got a 3.6, similar to a Camaro engine. Got pretty good horsepower, pretty good pickup. I actually drove it a few blocks and I could tell in its prime that it was running tight. So I'm gonna go grab my jumper pack, jump it off, just see how the engine sound, see how it's running, see if it got any misfires. Then after that, check the oil, check the antifreeze, make sure everything is good. And when you're building cars like this, it'd be like you hate it, but you've been doing it so long, it's just become second nature. But it still be a headache. It's like it's bittersweet. So the only thing I could do is get it together and sell it to another valuable consumer. So I'm pulling out my booster pack. I'm gonna go ahead and jump it off. Gotta keep you a booster pack when you're dealing with these cars. And this brand right here is the best one I ever had. You could jump a car off with it, leave it on the car to recharge itself. Best one for the money, most definitely. But we gonna fire her up, see what's to her. And man, just try to keep hope alive, cause shit, I gotta get my money back out of this boy. It's rough out here, man. They wanna take your boy little 1600, man. I could have went on a trip with that or something, man. The engine ain't sound bad. Ain't sound bad at all. I was smelling a little antifreeze coming from the radiator. More than likely they cracked it when they got in the accident. And you could tell they ain't had no type of insurance. Or if they did have insurance, they ain't have full coverage to get the car fixed, because they would have. And it was a repossession, so they probably damaged the car, had it sitting somewhere, decided they weren't going to pay the car no more. So they went ahead, sent it through the auction. And a lucky guy like me went ahead and bought it. Got stuck with it, with the problem. So it is what it is. Ain't nothing left to do. Can't keep crying about it. Just go ahead and get it fixed. And I apologize for this camera angle too. I meant to edit that out, but it is what it is. So I'm going to show y'all the rest of the car. And after that, I'm going to get to work. Start tearing everything down and putting it back together. You know, it starts off like this. But as you working on it, you see the progression in it. And when you actually sell it and you make a profit, you be like, man, it's kind of amazing feeling, because it be like, when you bad in this state, you be thinking like, man, I ain't going to be able to never sell this, or I ain't going to never get this together. That's how you feel at first. But as you keep moving, despite of how you feeling, then you'll get to the finish line. And that's the only thing that matters. Because if I wasn't built for this, I would have been through the towel in. I've been doing this since 2008. So you'll think I wouldn't make the same mistakes, but you will. It's just part of the game. So you got to take the ups with the downs, the smiles with the frowns, and it is what it is. I ain't trying to sound corny. I'm just being real. So I'm going to show y'all in the trunk, a few mats in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and end this video, man, because it's time for me to get to work. But look, I appreciate y'all watching it. If y'all got this far, thank y'all. And I appreciate y'all more, man, if y'all could like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. 2024, I plan to up this channel and be better than I was the year before. And I can only do it with y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. I get better with my content over time. I just sit back sometime. I try to come up with ideas. Kind of get writer's block, if that's the correct term to say. But we're going to just keep trying different stuff. And y'all just let me know what y'all like, what y'all don't like. I get it together. I get better as time goes on. And then I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all stay blessed. Contact me if you need me for anything, man. I'm open to any questions. And it's a two-way street. If I got any questions, I ask y'all. One family, SS family. Y'all take care, man. I'm out.